Hello guys, first thing first, thank you so much for joining in today's video. Video today is about weekly trades, like what do I see for this next week's trades, which is going to be on the 11th of the September till the 15th of September. And we're going to see how market reacts, what am I seeing, what is the price going to be happening. And this is going to be like my personal diary of my journals, where I'm going to be looking back again the next following week and see if everything played out the way I explained in this video tonight. So this is not a buy sell or any like a way to sell something out or show you a signal. This is nothing like that. This is just a personal diary of mine. It's a future consistently success I want to see myself when I look back into my videos and see, wow, this is what I did and how I changed so far in the year's time, right? So let me introduce myself. Hi guys, I'm Gurdit. I'm 26 years old and I'm from Malaysia. I've been trading for almost 4 years. There's been a lot of ups and downs during my tradings. Have never been consistent because of I have a very bad trading plan and also consistency. So this is why I'm creating this video today, actually, to be consistent, to show myself that I'm a consistent person. I understand how to trade. I know what's actually happening. It's just that I'm not consistent with my words and my actions. So this video is going to help me a lot in so many ways of to be who I am today and what's going to be happening the next following year's time. So please join me in the journey. This is my journey and I hope I can be close to anyone who's watching this video and we can learn together and we can become someone in the future. Let's begin with the pair gold. So everyone trades gold and know gold has been very beautiful trades for many people. It makes a lot of good returns. But however, the last week, the prior week, which was on the 4th of September till the 8th of September, market was not really playing its well. Market was very tricky because, let's just say, I was too correlated with DXY, where I was fully relying on this index, where I feel that if DXY goes up, gold goes down. So in my mind, the correlation has begun that way. And I have learned a very hard lesson last week, realizing that price doesn't actually always going to be following correlation. It can always get off from the one pair, the one correlation, and it can just be the opposite direction. See, for instance, you can see gold been going up and gold been going up as well. So it's been very difficult, challenging understanding of my game this week. And however, I learned a lot of things out of it. So moving forward, this is what I've been seeing in gold right now. I feel gold is still in the trend of deciding either it wants to break an upwards trend or it still want to continue in the lower long trend downwards, because price in looking into daily, it is still downwards. Now we just did a higher high, higher low, and our price is slowly about to hit this area. So my objective is not to be too greedy and keep a lookout in an opportunity of buy and sell. I don't want to be too biased in thinking that price is always going to be going up or price is always going to be down. I just want to follow my consistency of my trading plan, which I've already created for myself. In the next following videos forward, I'll be sharing what are my trading plans and what is actually been happening for me and what is not actually happening for me, because market cycle change a lot. However, this month, August and the beginning of September has shown me market structure was completely out of my own trading plan, and I learned a lot of it. I'm not going to sugarcoat you like, oh no, market's always been great and everything. No, market's never been great and will never always be great. You have to learn the hard way. So let me share to you how I would enter a trade for the next week game, right? So let's just say now we're going to about to start. Tomorrow is going to be a morning session with the Asian session. So I will not be looking for any trades tomorrow in the morning. So I'll only look trades in the area of demand or resistance, where I find price always like to respect and comes to the area and make a move. So my take for tomorrow trade is going to be in two directions, because my probability is not always going to be one. It's always going to keep on moving. So how I'm going to do this, I'm going to share to you today. Like I said, there's going to be two possibilities. Price can do here, and then comes down here. Am I right? Like I shared. Our price can also do the other way around. Price can go here, it breaks this level, it comes back here, which is I'm always going to be looking into. Don't give a damn what everybody going to say. It's always going to do the same thing, and price going to go this way. So there are two possibilities for me to look into tomorrow's trade. However, I have to keep in mind that we're most probably going to be getting some news tomorrow, and the following week, as I know, Euro having a news and USD having a news on Thursday. So we're going to be expecting price to do a very big move, where we can see price coming in this area. This is going to be a beautiful area for a quick scalp of buy, price back to touch in this area or this area, and then look for a short backwards. So this is one of the few trades I'm looking into for gold. And why do I say I like using this support and resistance? Because if you can see from the previous all these rectangles I built, price has always been respecting that area. Why do you need to chase for the price, where you can just wait for it, let price come to the area, take a buy, take a sell, have your own trades into it, and just chill, right? Give you an example. Let's just say I was looking for this trade, right? I'm looking for a short. I saw price broke this structure, and now my mindset should be so quickly changed and say, no, hey man, it's no more a buy for you, it's going to be a sell for you, right? So how you want to take a trade? So you want to prepare yourself, knowing prices break here, wait for a section to happen, have a short position, just be prepared and let price to come here. Put a stop loss here, and then just wait for price to come to this area. I'll take my TP at this level because I love this thing. This is a beautiful another way to say I want to take TP here. This is my own personally prefer. Some people have a own different way. This is mine. So by 12 o'clock, in that day, I'm already out from the trade. So this is one of the trade I will definitely look, because you see, price always come and retouch the area, retouch the resistance area. It's always like that. It has to be like that, because this is where price retouch and give people a second opportunity for a push. Why I'm saying this, because I've been seeing these trades so many times. It has always been happening, and I feel it's right in front of my face, and I'm not really using this objective of mine. I know it's happening there. It's just that I am not following the trend. So this is one of the things I learned from it. So I hope it's going to play out very well tomorrow. So next following trade I'm looking for, it's probably Euro USD. USD, let's just say gold and Euro USD was the biggest lesson for me for this month and last month, because market structure, the cycle changed too much for me. I was not prepared for it. I was in a challenge with a friend of mine, and both of us prediction was completely right, but however, we were not prepared for the market cycle. The market cycle completely shifted our mindset, our emotions, and in our trades. So we learned a lot from it, and we're trying to not do the same thing once again. So our trade this time is going to be more patience and precise, because I'm a person, I don't need to chase for the trades. I let trade come to me. So I'm using that way of just being patient. Like I said, I'm just going to let price to come in the area of attractiveness, and I'll just take a short or a buy from it. For instance, tomorrow I'm just going to keep on looking for a short for price, and let's just say price comes to the with news, it comes this here. I'll take a buy and have a small small risk, because I will not like to take risk of 0.5, because I know price is in a bearish mode, and I might just get stop out very quickly, because price can continue just keep on going down, and I don't want to be the goat who gets eaten up, right? So what I'll do, my own personal trade, I'll take my I don't want to be too greedy, but I'm also greedy, and I want to be in a very proper conservative trade. So I'll just take the entry here and pull my stop loss. I think I'll stop loss here. This is nice. This is my way of trading it, and I'll look for a TP here and look for a short. I'll completely look for a short here, and I expect the price to come to this area and have another short done. This is how I'll be looking for my trade. So my prediction for tomorrow, gold for Euro USD for next week is going to be, starting next week, is going to be price coming to here, you touch here, it go back, it start do here, it come here, it do here, and then I want it to come back to the ground. So this is what I'm expecting for next week plan, and how price is going to be reacting this way. Next following pair is going to be something I'm testing out. see price is doing is this. It's ranging at the moment, and it's a very good trade for me. I love price that range because it's a very simple support and resistance trades, and I don't need to be so greedy on the trade. I'll just wait it out and have a very own proper conservative and aggressive trades. So you probably be wondering, what is your conservative and aggressive trades, right? So I have created 3 different rectangles here. Suppose you can see this rectangle is greeny, another one is red, and then back to normal, right? So the below and the top ones are mostly my low risk trades. I call them low risk. I created a template for them where I can say this, when price comes to this area, this is a very low risk for me, so I would like to take a trade more than 1.5 to 2% trades. So this will be my area. However, when it comes to here, I need to be slightly more conservative and I don't want to take over trades. So my trading risk percentage will always going to be 0.25 to 0.5, because I know price might just be a fail for me and price can just continue going up and make me a loss. So I don't want to go into any of that cycles. However, if I'm right, if I'm correct, price can move back to down here. I'll take my TP, take my second entry, and then go back upwards. And so this is one of the trades I'm looking for. I love ranging trades are very interesting for me, and I just gotta play my own emotions and my trading plan, because it always plays out, and you just have to be patient for it. If you're not patient, you're always gonna get snapped out of it. So the forthcoming trade I'm looking for also is GBPCAD, and I see a very strong downtrend where we can see price broke out the trend line here, and if you see clearly, price has already did a retouch over here. Now it's looking for a downtrend. So my trade for tomorrow, it's probably going to be looking for a short in the same area here and a stop loss here. If I'm wrong, price decided to go upwards, I'll take a mistake and I'll move on from it. I don't want to dwell on it. I'm just going to move on from it, because everything comes from having a plan. The more you have plans, the more you properly structure yourself and your trades, the more likely the price is going to go according to your plan. So just be patient out, just be relaxed, take a trade according to what you see, and just trade it out. So don't worry, mistake happens. There's always going to be 100% correct. As someone who's learning and getting the hang of trading, you need to slowly go through all this. It's a learning structure for all of us. And you have to zoom out, you have to zoom in and see how price is reacting from different price action. Like right now, I'm just showing you because of I've seen the market in a very short term right now. However, if I need to zoom out, I need to properly see what's actually price doing. Does price really wants to go upwards, or does it wants to go downwards? Because many people are going to say, hey man, look here, it's going to be a W sign over here. Yeah, it's going to be a W sign there. But however, I need to wait for a confirmation to see price is actually going to do W sign or not. Because I don't want to do any of these mistakes. I just want to follow a plan of what I have created. In the upcoming videos, I will share to you guys what are actually my plans and my trading plans and how I define my strategies. And this is going to be a very good videos for me and video for all of you guys to see how I document myself and my trades and where I'm going next, the next following years. So I just want to say thank you so much guys for checking out my first video. I'm so sorry it's very fast. This is my third take of taking the video, because the first take the audio didn't work. I recorded for like 20 minutes and there was no audio. The third one was the file got corrupted. It's a mistake, I don't know what happened. And the third one, I finally understood that I need to use the software for it and to record a video. So I'm so glad you guys are here. Stay tuned and do subscribe. You're gonna see a lot of videos of me every weekly and dailies, and it's gonna be a structure of me and how I'm gonna build myself out there. So thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.